This is a quick tutorial. How to create a new accounting year in CY Enterprise. Click Tools. Click Create New Accounting Year. Now, a message will pop up. The message is as follows. Your last opened accounting year is 2018. Are you sure you want to create a year 2019? The system will automatically create the following accounting year from the one we are currently working. Click Yes. Now the new accounting year has been created. We may check that the year is created by doing the following. Click Tools. Click Change Accounting Period. At the pop-up window, we will view the years we have created. Click on the latest year we have created. We may check the current year we are working. Look at the top middle window title. The year is the one we just created. Very good. Now that we have confirmed the year, we may begin entering our new accounting registrations. Please visit our YouTube channel, or check the links below to find more related videos about VAT periods, restrictions to creating or editing entries, default and closed years. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day. Goodbye.